In this lesson, we are going to learn how to multiply fractions. This is Sophia,
Maddie,
and enaly. This is how you multiply fractions. Let's start with a simple and easy one. Let's start with 2/4 times 2/4. Now, problems like this may not always be easy. Sometimes they may have different denominators, sometimes they may have different numerators. So let's start with this. We're going to multiply 4 times 4 times, and then we're going to multiply 2 times 2. The denominators do change. You have to multiply them. So let's do 2 times 2 equals 4. And then 4 times 4 equals 16. Now, let's simplify. Sometimes you don't have to simplify because of the numbers, but sometimes you do. So you can simplify both of these by 4. And simplifying is usually with division. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So your answer is 1/4.
So the first thing you would do is you would multiply 5 times 3 equals something. Then you would multiply 10 times 7 equals something. That answer would be 15 over 70s, because 5 times 3 equals 15 and 10 times 7 equals 70. So that would be your answer.
so 15 and 70 can be divided by 5. Make sure you show all of your work. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 70 divided by 5 is 14. You cannot simplify that anymore, so 3/14 is your answer.
This is how we got 70 divided by 5. Oops. So put 70 and 5. So 5 can go into 7 once. So we do minus 5. It's 2, then we bring down the 0. And then 5 times something equals 20. So 5 times 4 equals 20. So then we minus 20. And your answer is 14.
So let's try something new, like 5/10 times 5/10. So that equals 5 times 5 is 25.
Whoa.
And 10 times 10 is 100.
Amazing.
You can divide that by 5.
You can?
So 25 divided by 5 and 100 divided by 5. That equals 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. You can divide that even more. You can divide this by 5.
Okay.
Divided by 5.
And
That equals 1/4. And 1/4 is your answer, because that's as much as you can simplify it.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope you know how to multiply fractions now.